Are you in need of a tool to convert your Windows Mail app data to PST or multiple formats? Introducing SysTools Windows Mail App Converter Tool. This expert tool exports the entire address book along with the email messages when you export Windows Mail app to PST format. This expert tool not only exports your Windows Mail app to PST format but also exports the MSG, PDF, vCard, VCF, CSV, ICS and Office 365. You can export PST with contacts, calendars, attachments. The software automatically detects the default path of the Windows Mail app files. For use this tool don't need to install MS Outlook. The software have a special inbuilt PST splitter feature. With this feature you can split the output files on the basis of size as well. After downloading, install and run the software. Once the tool opens, the first window of the software will appear. The software have user interface. Anyone use this software easily and convert your data. Click on Add File to start the process. A small window will appear here. In this window you can see two options for add your data. Auto detect the storage location is selected by default. This option automatically detects the storage location of Windows Live Mail files, which help in quick browsing and loading the files in the software panel. Otherwise you can choose Browse for the storage location for select EML files from your system. Please select the folder or file having VOL files and make sure Unistore folder should be present at same location. You can click on Folder for select multiple data or click on File for select single file. We are converting the multiple data, so click on the folder and select the folder in which you have VOL files and click OK. Once you satisfy with added data, click on the Scan button. The files will be loaded. After that you can continue the conversion process. After the scanning completed successfully, click on OK button. Now you can see the folder tree in the left side of the software pane. Select the desired folder to preview its details. Now you can see the files from chosen folder will appear on right side of software pane. You can preview your emails in multiple views options like hex view, email properties, message header, MIME view, HTML, and attachments. By default appear normal mail view option. If you want to export selected data, then you can select the desired file and click on Export Selected. To export all data, click on the Export button from the top navigation menu. One window will appear here. Select the folder for migration and unmark the rest folder. Now you can see the multiple exports options. If you want to export as a PDF format, click on the PDF radio button. If you want to export only single mail, select the MSG radio button. If you want to export all emails and want to see easily your emails, select the EML radio button. If you want to see your all emails in Thunderbird, select the MBOX button. You can export as CSV Excel file. In this format you can view easily your emails and you can search your specific email. If you want to export only address book, select the vCard button. If you want to export only calendar, select the ICS button. The software provide also the option to export to Office 365. Now we are converting our data into PST formats. Now select the PST radio button and click on the Advanced Settings button. A window will appear here. Select the PST split option if you want to split up oversized PST files according to a different size. Here you can increase or decrease your PST file size. You can apply date range option as per requirement. For that, click on Add, then select the start date. Select the date. Now select the month. Select the year. Repeat the same process for select the end date. You can add multiple date range. Click on Add button. You can remove also, after the Add Date range. Select the category option. Mark the checkbox which categories you required. Click on the Save button to save the settings. You will see the default destination location to save converted files. You can change the default location by clicking Browse button and choose the destination location. You can choose the Maintain Folder Hierarchy button to maintain the folder structure. If you do not want to export empty folder, then you can select the Don't Export Empty Folders. For use this option you have to uncheck the Maintain Folder Hierarchy option. You can choose the Ignore System Folders to exclude all the system folder while exporting process. Now click on the Export button to start the conversion process. Once the export process is completed successfully, click on OK button. Click on the Save button and save the exported report of the result file. Click on OK button and go to the destination location to see the converted file. Here you can see the converted Windows mails into PST formats. Log on to the given product page for more details and purchasing the product. For any query, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.